List of top 10 largest cities in the world based on population. Osaka, Japan. Population 18.9 million. 9 Mumbai, India. Population 21.6 million. 8 Beijing, China. Population 22.1 million. 7 Mexico City, Mexico. Population 22.5 million. 6 Cairo, Egypt. Population 22.6 million. 5 Dhaka, Bangladesh. Population 23.9 million. 4 Sao Paulo, Brazil. Population 24.8 million. 3 Shanghai, China. Population 29.8 million. 2 Delhi, India. Population 33.8 million. 1 Tokyo, Japan. Population 37.1 million.